Bloomberg, news of a Boeing Co. 737 MAX crash operated by Ethiopian Airlines is bringing out equity bears. Futures contracts on the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, where Boeing has the largest weighting, fell Monday during Asian hours, sliding as much as 0.6% after Flight ET302 plunged to the ground minutes after leaving Addis Ababa en route to Nairobi, Kenya, killing all 157 people on board. This is Boeing's second 737 MAX crash in 5 months. To make matters worse, China asked domestic airlines to temporarily ground those jets by 6 p.m. local time, and Ethiopian Airlines said it would ground them until further notice. Boeing shares fell as much as 8.7% in Stuttgart and could slide in U.S. trading as concerns are increasing over the jet, said Eleanor Krieg, a Sydney-based market strategist at Saxo Capital Markets. Even a 5% fall would cut more than 100 points from the Dow, she estimated. When a Lion airplane of the same model sank into the Java Sea off the coast of Indonesia last year, killing 189 passengers and crew, the shares lost almost 7%. Weakness transpiring in Boeing's share price will hit the Dow, Krieg said by phone. The stock has been responsible for about a third of the gains as markets recovered since the December low, she said. Shares of the U.S. manufacturer have gained 31% this year, the most among Dow components, and adding more than $55 billion in market cap. While that's partly due to the improving sentiment over the U.S.-China trade talks, the company also reported a record cash pile for 2018 with sales reaching $100 billion for the first time in its 102 years. The weekend accident happened as the U.S. stock market rebounded, showing signs of strain. Risk appetite has weakened and the bar for positive surprises is now higher after a more than $9 trillion global equity rally since a December low. The Dow, where Boeing has an 11% weighting, dropped 2.2% last week. In a March 11th report, Morgan Stanley said it expects a degree of weakness and volatility in the shares until there is clarity on what happened with this crash, adding it is premature to make any linkage to the Lion Air accident. Analyst Rajiv Lawani wrote last month that the company's stock has a clear path to $500 given broadly higher market multiples along with a potential order boost from resolution in the China trade situation, adds Boeing shares falling in German trading. In third paragraph, to contact the reporters on this story, Divya Balji in Singapore, dbalji1 at Bloomberg.net. Matthew Burgess in Sydney at mburgess46 at Bloomberg.net. Contact the editors responsible for this story, Chris Nagy at Bloomberg.net, Cecile Vanucci, Naoto Hasoda. For more articles like this, please visit us at Bloomberg.com. Copyright 2019 Bloomberg LP.